Gathering is the second fastest way to accumulate resources in Dark War survival, especially when you cannot plunder other players. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we will discuss how to get over 130 million resources daily through the gathering. Fundamental. We can gather wood, iron, electricity, and coins from the world map, available in 8 levels. These resources are essential for upgrading our shelter. We need a large quantity quickly. To begin gathering from level 5 to 8 mining sites, we must first upgrade the heavy lifting research in the economy tech tree. Higher level sites offer more resources, but it's important to note that this does not increase gathering speed. In fact, higher level sites require longer gathering times but provide more resources per round. The two key factors to optimize for gathering are speed and load. Gathering speed. The first priority should be increasing gathering speed. This will significantly reduce the time needed for each gathering round, allowing us to make more daily trips. Focus on researching lumberjack, survey technology, and lead acid battery within the economy technology. This research enhances the gathering speed of wood, iron, and electricity. 6 techs are available, which can boost gathering speed by up to 240%. This increase has a substantial impact on gathering. While the Mart also offers bonuses for gathering speed and load capacity, these bonuses are relatively minor, only about 1% at level 10. As a result, we do not prioritize upgrading this building. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. As Bundle Up's sister company, GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Load. The higher the level of a site, the more resources it contains. However, to capture all available resources, we must ensure sufficient load. For example, from a level 8 site with 20 million resources, we can only gather approximately 14 million due to insufficient load. To maximize resource capture, we need to increase our load. The most effective way to achieve this is by increasing the number of troops in our formation, also known as troop capacity. The military centers provide the most significant boost in troop capacity, with level 23 centers offering an increase of 3,100 capacity. Therefore, upgrading the military center should be prioritized after leveling up the watchtower. Additionally, troop expansion in battle and swarm tactics in the battle strategy tech research can significantly enhance troop capacity. Upgrading heroes levels, stars, and equipment also contributes to increasing troop capacity. While upgrading modified vehicles can help, this process typically takes longer than the other methods. It's important to note that the level of troops is critical for gathering resources. Higher level troops offer a higher load. For instance, a level 8 troop can carry 2,200 more than the previous level. Therefore, once unlocked, upgrading your troops to the highest level available is advisable. Hero. Musashimaru, Bob, and Joe possess a third skill that enhances wood, iron, and electricity gathering speed. We can assign them to their respective gathering sites for a speed boost. For instance, we can increase our electricity gathering speed by deploying Joe in the formation. However, the reduction in gathering time is only minor. If you find it cumbersome, you can choose not to utilize them. Currently, we can gather up to 130 million resources daily. However, this is not the maximum potential. There is still room for growth by upgrading our gathering speed and load. If managed effectively, you can level up your shelter quickly and peacefully. Alright, it is the end of today's sharing. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.